So, DJs, are you still taking requests and your clients' event selections by mail, Google Drive, Pony Express, or worse, even a CRM that looks like it was designed like a vintage Windows operating system? Today, we're going to take a look at Spin's Form Builder. So you can create beautiful, modular, and mobile friendly forms that can even auto match to your library to create playlists. We'll get to that later. Let's dive in. So starting out here in the Spin dashboard, we're going to head over to the header, or on mobile, you're going to head to the menu button up top, and then we're going to select the settings option. Now here in the settings, we're going to choose the Forms tab. And once we open the Forms tab, we're going to be presented with all of our forms right there. In this demo today, we're going to be creating a request list from a client for an air guitar competition. Now, this request list is going to be so we, as the DJ, can rig the competition towards the person who's footing the bill by picking their favorite songs that they can absolutely crush. So to create this form, we are going to go ahead and head on over to the Create Form button here near the top. And then we're going to be presented with our first of 3 slides. That is going to be the name and the description. So since we're creating an air guitar request list, we're going to go ahead and enter the name as Secret Air Guitar Anthems, because again, we are rigging this competition. Then in the description, we're going to simply enter, tell us your favorite air guitar tracks so we can play them. We really want you to win. And then we're going to do a wink, wink. And then clicking next is going to bring us to our first field set details. So in Spin, each form has a list of field sets, and those have different titles, and then they have different inputs with them. Now with Spin, you don't have to create every form as a playlist that is music involved. If you want to create something that says, what should your DJ wear? Where should we be seated? Who is doing toast, grand entrance, anything like that, you're more than welcome to create those as you'd like. However, we have already created one music type. So then that way, whenever Spin does our library auto matching, it can know how to do that quicker. And then it also saves you time. So you don't have to put in the artist and the title field every time. Now, since this is an air guitar anthem request list, this is going to be a song list. So that's going to give us the benefit of not having to do that. But we're going to create one form that will. So here in the title for this first field set, we're going to go ahead and call this favorite track. And then the type, we're going to select music. We are going to allow our user to duplicate this role. So we're going to click allow row duplication. And we are not on this one going to allow Spotify integration. The reason why is because that is going to allow them to put in one single playlist, and we want them to type all of this out. However, if you have a wedding or some sort of an event and you need an entire cocktail hour playlist, then you would allow Spotify integration so they could put in their playlist and then Spin can auto match to that. So with the favorite track, we are going to go ahead and add another field set. And this time we are going to choose custom form. And we're going to say favorite lighting color. This is going to be custom of only one input. So we're going to click next. We're going to allow them to, we don't want them to duplicate this one. We're going to select next. And then now we're going to create our first field detail. So again, in a field set, we've got different fields. For this one, we only had them do one. So this one, we're going to put the label as color, placeholder. They can do red. And then input type, we're going to have them do a text. We can go and save form. So then that creates our form now. So now we see the successful notification on the top, and then we see our form there in the form list titled Secret Air Guitar Anthems. Now again, that form has one duplicable music field set, and then one that asks for their favorite color, so we can put that in lights behind them. So that is it for creating forms in Spin. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you soon.